Hi guys. Hey, once again, it's me Abdul, and I'm doing a video for Circulartext. This video is sponsored by Circulartext, and a 100% full project by Circulartext. It's called SpeedRead AI, and we're, we've been developing this for about a year now. But I wanted to show you guys how to use it for anybody that have a Hugging Face account. I just got an article online about the Eagles, Philadelphia Eagles, Saquon Barkley, with some stats, and let's see if it still works. I haven't worked this application in a while, but it's supposed to slow down the statistical data and speed up the relevant data. Let's see. Okay, create speed read audio. I think I clicked on it. I think you just have to wait after you click. Just try not to click twice. Let me check. If I refresh it, should be a way I can read the back end to this or logs. There we go. Something did not exist. Should I ever run it? Okay. See if I can run it. I'm not sure if anything running here. Let's check again. Okay, it should be working and it's just loading like this. But if not, we have another speed read. We can go there while this load, just in case it does not work. Okay, let's check this one. Again, wasn't on it for a while, so might have to do some backend processing with Docker, which is on one of the other developers' computers. So I wouldn't be able to do it today. We'll have to wait till he come back from France. Okay, let's check this out. See if it's working. And I don't think it's working for some reason. Nope. Let's see if it's too much text. Could be too much text. It don't look like too much text. I guess the application is so old. Hugging Face. Oh, this one look like it might be working. Nope, not quite working. Let me see something. Go to the back end real fast and try to see. Save. Should work from this Docker. Once again, I don't have that on my computer right now. But we worked on this Docker together and this Docker image, we'll call it. This leads to a Docker image. That's in Docker. Docker. Oh man, it was so long. I've worked on a Docker project. Can't even remember what's it called. Oh, base Docker image with necessary dependencies. Working directory. Okay, let's go back here. See this the app. So that should be the initial. Okay, here it goes loading. Application startup. Why don't it work if once I put it in? It must not be connecting to the Docker. I'll say we're starting still. It must not be connecting to the Docker image if it keeps saying restarting and things like that. With this, once this come up, I should catch it before it comes. The build should work and the container should work after the build. As you can see, everything build from the backend image. Okay, let's see. Reading database. It looked like it got to the entry point, so I don't know why wouldn't it work. Oh, here it go. It worked finally. So I'll just refresh it here. Where's it at? It should have worked. It looked like MP3 wave okay. Timing script, but the wave was okay, so it should have came out. I'm not seeing it. That don't make sense. It should be on here. Okay, let's try this one. This one's still restarting. It's probably so much data going on in the back end that it's taking its time, but it looks like it's loaded. See the build work? Keep saying okay. So the MP3 or the wave, maybe what's this made by? I forget the name of the let's check real fast. In the files, should be in a Docker file. This is a can't even remember that Docker file checklist examples. Okay, let's go back here. It was supposed to work, but it's not working still for some reason. Let's just get this one running. See if we can get this article. SpeedRead. This is what happens when you don't have money to fund your AI development. I guess the dependencies all just fade away after a while. But the SpeedRead application is pretty unique in the AI aspect and Gen AI aspect. Okay, let's see the logs. Wave does not exist. Oh, here it goes. It finally worked. 105 seconds. So now you will hear the article. Let me put it up here. Speed read, so you can read through it and listen at the same time.
User input: the Eagles didn't score their first touchdown until the fourth quarter. Barkley was tackled at the 1-yard line and a Hurts tush push was automatic from there. Elliott missed yet again this time, hooking an extra point wide left. The Eagles led 12-10. The Eagles defense played well and the Commanders made a decision that backfired. Robinson was stopped twice on 2nd and 3rd and short. Instead of trying a field goal to take the lead, the Commanders went for it. Daniels bobbled the snap, tried to run wide but was stopped well short of the first down.
What I just did was speeded up the irrelevant data a little bit. As you can hear it, you can hear the speedery data or the statistic data getting slowed down and the irrelevant data speeding up. Right now, I'm going to speed it up with a different setting a little bit more and some middle data. And I was just talking to another developer the other day about the SpeedRead AI. Let me see it because it takes forever now. I wanted to download it first so I can put it on the group files or the group articles. But what I wanted to do was when I talked to my another developer about the SpeedRead algorithm, he said, "What is it for?" I said, "It's like, say if you had important data that you need to be listening to, like a doctor will listen to a long transcript of medical diagnosis on a patient. Maybe you want to get the important information very quick. Maybe it's in the middle of something like about to go into surgery in an hour, and you just want to get the most important information. So it just speed reads through the relevant data and just gets to the good data, and that's in audio form. Just a lot of people do not like to read. So let's see if it works. Try to check the back end. Looked like it worked. Yeah, a lot of back end things happen, but you really don't see it after when everything's on a in a Docker file. Okay, let's check what happens. We speed it up.
User input the Eagles didn't score there. First touchdown until the fourth quarter.
As you can see, it's speeded up by at least 10 seconds.
Barkley was tackled at the 1 yard line and
What you just heard was the speed read overlapping a little bit. As you can hear, the 1 yard was speeded because it was like the speed read overlap. That's another thing we spoke about, how things will how he said how could you improve it, and I told him that the overlapping of the speed read could be improved a lot, but it's an algorithm where we use this nothing but numbers, so it's like the numbers are just you need to move around a lot of numbers to just accurately do something right with this application since it's already built, or you would have to go back and build it in a different way, and it was like too much time consuming, and it's like we move on from project to project just to get things out. So we're still working on that. That's how I would improve the speed read application once we get back on this project. But let's try to speed it up even more. You can even
tush push was automatic from
more.
there. Elliott missed yet again this time, hooking an extra point wide left. The Eagles led 12-10. The Eagles defense played well and the Commanders made a decision. That backfired. Robinson was stopped twice on second and third and short. Instead of trying a field goal to take the lead, the Commanders went for it. Daniels bobbled the snap, tried to run wide but was stopped well short of the first down. That was a turning point in what was a close game. The game got away from Washington after that. Barkley rushed for a 23-yard touchdown. Then Reed Blankenship caught a rare interception from Daniels. Barkley scored a 39-yarder after that in a game that was close for 3 quarters. With the Commanders looking.
See, that was a good article. You speeded up the data. You heard the statisticals. Some of the names was speeded up a little more. You heard Saquon Barkley names being speeded up a little bit more because the algorithm is not precise on understanding. The AI is not precise on understanding the names of the players, but it's better off knowing the statistical. So somehow that's another improvement we can make where it slows down with the name and the statistical data. Okay, what I will do next with this is I will take this article and I just downloaded it twice and I will put it into the files. I think this is the one, the daily sports. I think it's community here, and if you want to see any of the files that I worked on or we all worked on, we all signed into the same account. We'll do it here. New discussion. Title. Let's just see. Let me put it here because I don't know how to spell Saquon Barkley name. Or just put Eagles article. Eagles versus Commanders. Or just have the short little article. This is just an example, just to give the people an example of how to use the speed read algorithm. And I will just put it on there. I will pause the video since I don't want to see people to see my other stuff. Oh, yeah. Okay, I uploaded it. Here it goes here. So I got the first version here. And its second version, I thought it was 105 seconds. I guess I got the second and the third version.
User input, the Eagles didn't score there. User input, the Eagles didn't score there. First touchdown until the fourth quarter. Barkley was tackled at the 1-yard line and first touchdown until the fourth quarter. Barkley was tackled at the 1.
You can hear the little difference. And this is online. I will put this under the video description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the group channel.